All right, you guys, so let's talk smoothie time a little bit. So, I am a huge fan of spinach smoothies, obviously, and then a little bit of everything else that you see here, depending on what we have at home during the time. So, I cannot say enough good things about this blender and how easy it makes it to eat a delicious, healthy smoothie every day. So, I always like to do a little bit of spinach. Usually I always do an apple. We have kiwi right now, so I'm going to put a kiwi in mine. You can choose whatever citrus you prefer. We normally always have lemons and limes. Lime is my favorite in a spinach smoothie. Obviously orange, which I have orange juice out. If I have it in the fridge, I'll usually dump a little bit of that in also. But even grapefruit juice would work as well. But something, again, that's a little acidic. Bananas are really nice because it helps to thicken it. Usually I let them sit on my counter for a couple days. I will put them in the freezer whole, just like you see them here. And then I will take half at a time and add that into my smoothie. Frozen fruit is also really great to help thicken it and obviously make it nice and cold. You can also put just ice in here. Which is usually what I do as well if I don't have frozen fruit. And then, I mean, you guys, honestly, anything you want to put in here besides that, you can. Smoothies are also a really great way for getting rid of fruit. For example, like my kiwi, I don't know, you can see it a little bit, it's getting a little wrinkly. You know what I mean? So it's an easy way to get rid of stuff that needs to be eaten up, and it all blends in together, so you don't see that it looks like it's getting a little old. So the other things that are really nice for smoothies are our Enrichables packets. So depending on what I am adding into my normal smoothie, I will not use these because it's full of your fruits and veggies and all of those vitamins and minerals already. But like now, for example, I'm going to be running errands for the next couple of hours. So I'm going to add a little bit of each of these in because I know it's going to help me feel fuller longer. And it's going to keep me full and not, make me have cravings like I'm going to want to stop and, go through a drive-through to grab a snack quick or, grab extra stuff at the grocery store that's not necessary just because I'm hungry. So you really can kind of go buck wild with your smoothies and put anything in them that you want. The blender will take care of all of it. There's a smoothie setting right there. All you got to do is turn it on and press start, and then it'll clean itself up afterwards, which is amazing.